So how would you like to earn $250 just by clicking buttons? So I'm going to explain to you how that works. I'm going to show you how to get it set up because this is going to be really simple. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, I talk about how to make money online affiliate marketing and just different ways how you could go out there, because I know there's so many people out there that are looking for ways how to find money. And there are many different options out there. However, some of the methods that people are showing you, they do not work. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $250 just by clicking buttons. So I'm going to show you how it's done. So watch this video all the way through. So let's dive into things right away. So as mentioned before, if you're brand new here, this is your first time, consider yourself, become a part of the family. Make sure you subscribe, turn on that bell notification. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. So that way I could do some more research and I can create videos in what works for you in your area. So this is indeed the YouTube channel. There's so many different videos. So feel free to just come through here and see what you like or what you don't like, and just try my methods because they do work. And I get feedback. I get people message me all the time and say, thank you for doing this. So earn 250 bucks just by clicking buttons. Some of you probably think like, this must be crazy. What is this guy gonna be talking about? How is he gonna be able, how am I gonna be able to make $250? Like, what is the trick? There's no trick. This is super simple. And I'm going to show you how it's done. Now, the first thing, we're going to come on Google. We're going to go to a particular website because there's companies out there that are looking for people, and sometimes they cannot find the people to fulfill the projects that they're looking for. They got jobs, they got all these type of things. So this is where you come in. Now I'm going to show you that this is evergreen because people are always looking for it. And I'm going to share with you what it looks like. So I'm going to head on over to YouTube and I'm going to show you this video. Now, if you look at this video, for instance, I turned the volume down because I didn't want to play it. But if you look at this, this is what's called an explainer video. An explainer video is like a sales video. So people and companies are always looking for videos like this because not everybody wants to be on camera. Maybe there's a company that is coming out with, let's say, a new weight loss product, or they have a new app that's coming out, or they want a video sales letter be written, because this is considered a video sales letter. I know it's a video, but sometimes people do class it as a sales letter, right? So this right here is just an example of where we're going. Now I'm going to show you how to create this, and it doesn't require too much of your time because it's super simple and it just requires a few clicks. So explainer videos. Now we're going to go to a particular website and it's called Render Forest, right? It's called Render Forest. So you click on Render Forest, this is what we're going. So not here, but right down here. We click on it, and it's going to take us over here. So I'm going to show you the main website, what it looks like. This is what the main website look like. You can create logos, you can make videos, you can design websites, all that type of stuff. Now, if you want to create a video, all you can do is click on where it says make a video. Pretty simple. And you could search here for explainer video. Right down here you have the toolkit, and you have explainer video toolkit, explainer video in 3D, whatever. But I'm just going to keep this simple. So we can click on explainer video toolkit. You click on here, you can click on where it says create. All right, so when you click on the create section, you see how many clicks we're doing? We're just clicking buttons. We're just making things easy. That's why I'm going to share with you how you can make this type of money, and I'm going to show you where to go. So stick with me to the end. So if you want to add a scene, you can click on here and where it says add a scene. Now here are some examples. There's 14 minutes, 4 to 10 seconds, 4 to 10 seconds, 4 to 14 seconds. So there's so many different ones. You know, tired man walking. Maybe you're looking for one that's in the office. Maybe you can find some, you know, workout one. Maybe there's some health related stuff because people are always looking for this. This type of video, it goes like hotcakes. So this is male working in the office, right? Could be this one. Now we're going to insert a scene, click on here, and you could then start writing text. So you can write like, having a heavy day at work. All right, save and close. Now you can see that. All right, that is a scene already. You can add more scenes just by clicking on here. So that's one scene. We can go over here and we could do this. Insert another scene. All right, so there's one scene and there's a second one. All right, so you're technically typing and you're writing in. You're just clicking, you're just typing. This is easy stuff to be created. So you don't need to be a genius because guess what? These softwares are making things a little bit more easy for people these days. And most of you probably like, then if they have this particular website, why don't people just go there and just do it themselves? Because here's the thing, companies, people, they don't have time to do all this stuff, right? That's where you come in. That's where you're gonna provide the service. Look at this for an example. There is burger in the supermarket and there's a burger at McDonald's. McDonald's have the same burger. The store has the same burger. You could go and make your own burger, but no, you got to drive through. You want to go get it made. It's the same thing. People would rather pay somebody to do this than them to do it. So you get what I'm trying to say, right? So you're right. You get the idea where I'm going. Oh, we have a heavy day at work. However, I can't wait to go home and do my online business, right? Boom. All right. So you can go and you can put it, let's see, that goes in, right? So you see where we're going. So that is like seen as like a 7 seconds so far. So you could click on here in the preview section, right? You can buy the high quality, of course, and you have free. You know, that's how they make money. You know, you try their software, it looks good. And if you want to, right, you could sign in, you could sign up. I didn't sign up earlier, but you get the idea. You can preview it. You could change the colors, change the color if you want. You can put different color. You could change the style, right? You can put someone walking, right? So these are the different things that you could do. You know, select different, you can put music in the background, right? All these type of things and edit it. So I use this video. Where is it? Let me go back. This video is an example. This person used the same explainer video and they create this. Of course, like if you watch it, right? There's like a hand drawing and it's explaining things as you go along, right? There's slideshows. There's all these type of things. So this right here is a great place to build these things. Now, you create it. Now you want to know, okay, where should I go to, you know, where people can reach out to me? There's a particular website that is called freelancer.com. And I'm showing you on here that you can make a lot of money doing this. Now, you're not going to come out the gate and you're going to charge way more money than some, because if you don't have experience, you got to have to test the waters first. You know, let people give you reviews. Start off low. But you can make more as well. So I type in video marketing. If you look here, you know, people are doing, you know, I need a sales script. That's like $930. There's like create doodle animation for marketing. There's like, they're looking for a 3-minute video, 131. Like if you look down here, there's like music, social videos, creating an animation video for like 350, just like what we just did. There's creative social marketing for 20. There's people down here, I need a female model for music video. But these are the different things that you can come on here. So freelancer.com is a great place that you can go. There's so many different ways how you can make money. And if you want to make more money too, head on over to Fiverr. Fiverr is a great place. I type in explainer video, look at this, $195, $300, $50. I hope you guys are watching this video and everything started to make sense. 120 bucks, 60, 250, 150, $15. Somebody's, I say, you know what, I'm gonna make this for 15, cut it in half. So you see all the different things, like you can get a slice of the pie. You can make money too doing this. All right. So the website, as I mentioned, is called renderforest.com. Create videos on here, and you can make, create your account, create an account on Fiverr, create an account on Freelancer, start doing your thing, start putting yourself out there. All right. So if you like this video, share it, comment down below. Let me know what you think. This is indeed my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and keep watching my videos over and over again. I always drop the good stuff. I always give to you nothing but value and things that's going to help you. If it's not going to help you, I'm not going to make a video. Pretty straightforward. So I hope you enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know where you're watching this from. You're looking for my #1 recommendation. You know where to go. Check out the first link in the description. Work with me. Grow with me. Right? And we can go forward from there. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.